Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pretty. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a red note account. So if you want to know how to create a red note account, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. On your device just like this, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store if you are using Android and install the red note account. But if you are using iPhones, you will go to your App Store and install your red note. So once you're done doing that, you have to agree. After agreeing on the important notice, what you need to do here now is to log in. You log in with your Gmail, or you can still use your phone number, but I'm going to be using Gmail. To wait for some seconds. So all you need to do here is to put in the Gmail you want to use. Continue something. So you're signing into rednote with your Gmail. So guys, that's it. Very easy. Select your entrance. Go to select. Allow. Next, follow people who you like. Allow red note. Sign up. Slide up for more. So guys, as you can see, I now have a red note account. That's very easy. If you found this video useful, please do well to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.